Hello everyone, my name is Bijis. Today's video is for those who are here in Australia and are in Visitors Visa Subclass 600. So many of the parents couldn't be able to travel back to their home country due to this COVID-19 situation. And the parents who are above 65 and 70, it's a bit of a risky for them to travel back to their home country, maybe because of their medical condition. So parents, please make sure you don't have no further stay condition in your visa, because as per Department of Home Affairs guideline, if you have got no further stay condition, you couldn't be able to apply for many other visas while you are here in Australia. So technically you have to leave the country to apply for many other visas. I will take you to the official website of Department of Home Affairs, where they have showed us a guideline that how to apply for a waiver prior to applying for many other visas by staying here in Australia. So let's go to their official website. So we are about to go to the official website of Department of Home Affairs. So let's type inside the and staying in Australia, and I have a temporary visa. So the visa condition, no work condition, so no further stay condition is here. So there's a link, if you press this link, it's a condition site, so no further stay waiver. They have just explain about the overview. So these are the conditions. These are the conditions. To requesting a waiver, you need to have this sort of conditions, like unable to travel due to a medical condition, which I had explained in the video, death or serious illness within close family, natural disaster, war or civil unrest, your school cannot provide the course that you were approved for. So how to request a waiver? So this is a form 1447 which you need to send to Doha in request of waiver for no further stay condition. Let's go inside this application form. So in the first page they have explained everything about this no further stay waivers. So what is no further stay condition? So no further stay condition includes condition 8503, 8534 and 8535, and what visa no further stay condition imposed on. So subclass 462, subclass 600 visitor visa, and how to check if a no further stay condition has been imposed on your visa. So how to check, where to check if there is no further stay condition or not, eligibility for no further stay waiver. If so just go through this link and check whether you are eligible for the request of waiver for no further stay. So processing time, so the processing time is up to 28 days, and it might also take more than 28 days if they request for more documents. So if your visa is expiring in about a month or two, please make sure, or please apply as early as possible if your visa will soon expire or has expired. So if you have got this condition, just go to your visa, check whether your visa is about to expire or has already been expired. So what information to include with your request for a waiver? So these are the documents which you need to send along with this application form in request of waiver. So certified copy of your personal particular page of your passport, document evidence to support your claims for requesting waiver. This evidence can include medical report and more. So it has to be in English, later it has to be translated into English if it is in some other language, and it has to be notarized as well. Important information about privacy, you can go through this one later. Decision cannot be reviewed. So a decision not to waive condition, all this 8503, 8534 or 8535 cannot be reviewed by an administrative appeals tribunal nor by another department officer. So if the waiver is not granted, you can't apply for appeal. So that is what this as mentioned in this application form, when you send a request for a waiver. So it is possible to lodge a new request for waiver, but then must be new and substantial different reason for those. So after getting a waiver and applying for a visa, once you get that visa, if you have to again apply for a waiver, you have to again request. So where to send a request for a waiver. So once you fill this application form, along with that all these documents which was mentioned above, has to be sent into this email address, no further stay waiver request at homeaffairs.gov.au, or also you can post it at Department of Home Affairs, Brisbane, no further stay waiver request processing center, GPO box 9984, Brisbane, Queensland 4001. So on page number 3, so you have to fill all these details, your personal details, your phone number, email address. If you are assisted by a migration agent or any other certified person, just mention the detail of that person over here. And if the communication is to be sent to you, just tick yourself, or if to other authorized recipient or the migration agents, tick over there. And ABC on question number 15, ABC, you just need to put the details. What was the region? What is the region that you are applying for the waiver of this no further stay condition? Just tick the checklist. Whatever documents you have provided as an evidence, just tick it over there, your signature and your date. So once you fill in this application form, just send it through the email or via post, which I have shown you on top over here. So this is the email address to send via email, and this is the postal address to send via post. I hope you liked this video, and if you found this video useful, please like and follow us in our Facebook and in Instagram. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.